The IRS is a secret that they don't want you to know. How to make your tax debt disappear legally. The IRS has collected $4.7 trillion over the last year. But here's what they don't want you to know. They wrote off $11.5 billion in uncollectible tax debt. That means thousands of people legally eliminated their tax debt without paying a penny. I'm Andrew San Diego. I'm an enrolled agent and tax resolution specialist here in San Diego, and I'm here to teach hundreds and hopefully thousands of people how to avoid the financial stress of dealing with the IRS. I'm also going to show you in this video how exactly this works and how you might qualify. Most people think that once you owe the IRS, they're stuck paying every penny with penalties and interest until it's gone. And that's exactly what the IRS wants you to believe. But the truth is there is multiple legal ways to reduce or eliminate your tax debt that most taxpayers never even hear about. So let me share you a story about Mike. Obviously his name was changed for privacy reasons. He was a contractor who owed around $85,000 in back taxes. He was losing sleep, his marriage was suffering, and he was considering bankruptcy. When he came to me, he was convinced that he'd be paying the IRS basically back for the rest of his life. 6 months later, his entire debt was eliminated through a currently not collectible status, and his statute of limitation expired. Here's how it worked. Mike's business had failed during the recession, and his current income barely covered his basic living expenses. And under IRS's guidelines, if collecting the debt would create an economic hardship, they're required to place your account on a currently not collectible status. This stops all collection activities, no more threatening letters, no more wage garnishments, no asset seizures. But here's the secret part. The IRS has a 10-year statute of limitations on collecting the tax debt. It's called the CSED. If they can't collect it within that 10-year time frame, the debt legally disappears. It isn't some loophole or gray area. It's written into the tax code. But they're not going to tell you this. And they're certainly not going to help you run out the clock. There are other strategies too. You've probably heard of an offer of compromise where you can settle your tax debt for pennies on the dollar if you qualify. There's also innocent spouse relief to eliminate tax debt that was created by your spouse's actions and you didn't know about it. There's penalty abatement that can remove thousands in penalties, if not tens of thousands of penalties, if you have a reasonable cause. The key is knowing which strategy applies to your situation and how to implement it correctly. These strategies are exactly what I cover in my comprehensive IRS battle plan. It's the book you see behind me. This isn't theory, these are exact methods I use with my clients who pay me thousands of dollars to resolve their tax problems for them. I'm giving you the complete playbook absolutely free, because I believe everyone deserves to know your rights and your options. The IRS battle plan includes 21 strategic steps that you can use to defeat your tax debt, including specific forms that you can file, the currently not collectible statuses and other resolutions options, and the exact qualification requirements you need for an offer and compromise or other strategies. You can download it right now at Crush IRS Anxiety. I'll put a link in the description below. Don't let the IRS keep you awake at night. There are legal solutions available. Get your battle plan now. Start fighting back with the strategies that actually work. And if you found this useful, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because I'm sharing insider strategies like this every week. The IRS has an army of lawyers and collection agents working against you. It's time for you to find a battle plan of your own.